Hello and welcome to my tiny house kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple recipe using only 2 ingredients, and that is vegan coconut milk yogurt. Now the 2 ingredients that you will need is a can of organic coconut milk and a dairy-free probiotic. So when you go to your local health food store, you can ask them which strain doesn't contain dairy and they'll be able to show you. And you're just going to need 2 capsules or 2 scoops if it's a powder of that. Some cheesecloth, or you can use a fine mesh cloth of any kind. You can use a jar, or I also like to use this container as well. So first you will need to add the coconut milk into the glass container. Very difficult. There we go. Second of all, we will open up the 2 capsules and sprinkle in that dairy-free vegan probiotic. Give it a mix with the spoon. Until it's all well combined. Give it a whisk. And then you just take your piece of cheesecloth or fine mesh, you could even use kitchen paper, and we just place it right over the container. Okay. So I'm going to wrap this in cheesecloth. You could also use an elastic or a hair tie to secure this with. I just can't find one, so I'm wrapping it around the whole container because I have a lot of cheesecloth. But this is not the easiest way to do it. There is an easier way. And then when it's in the fridge, it will solidify a little bit. And then you can taste it. Thank you so much for watching this recipe video. There's going to be more recipe videos coming. Please like or subscribe if you'd like to follow along and see a few more vegan recipes. In the meantime, I'm just going to hang out with my girl.